If your charger ever makes this tiny noise, you're basically charging your phone next to a mini fire starter. He knew it was old. He knew it sparked, but buying a new charger meant going outside, and outside means people. First it gets warm, then it smells weird. That's not normal charging. That's your wall quietly auditioning to become a campfire. Most people notice right here, and still think, I'll deal with it tomorrow. Fires do not wait for tomorrow. Changing one cheap plug feels annoying, until you remember it's the difference between annoying and no apartment. If your plug ever buzzes, sparks, or smells burnt, that's not nothing. That's your last gentle warning before something catches fire.